Hello everyone, thank you for your love and support and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on two colors yarn threading. Like I showed in my previous video, I am also repeating this on this video on how to get a perfect and neat length of the yarn you'll be using. First and foremost, we want to sincerely appreciate you all for your love and support towards our channel throughout the year 2022, and we hope you would support us even more this year as we, with God strengthening us, be at our best to provide quality videos and meet your demand in terms of hair treatment and care. This threading, I'm using black and brown colors. Once you get the perfect length, you want to ensure you cut just like I showed in the video, and I also get the length of the other color, the brown yarn I will be using, still the same way I got the black. So all right, you can use whatever color you want. Any color you want is okay, so long as it meets your threading need. All right, I've prepared my yarn into the length I want, and the next thing is to moisturize Pretty Mrs. hair using Hawaiian silk. Hawaiian silk is a 14-in-1 hair conditioner and moisturizer, and also applying Herbal hair butter. If you want to know how to make this Herbal hair butter, the link to making the hair butter will be on the description of this video. All right, you want to make sure that the hair is completely moisturized and you just get the perfect part and you start threading. I hope you love the video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. Share my content with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section if you ever have one. All right, we love you so much and see you in the next video. Bye, and please continue to watch to the end. We love you.